Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the first video on Python dictionaries, I introduced you to the concept, and we found out that dictionaries are powerful data structures where you can store information in a key and value format, right? But dictionaries are actual objects of class dict for dictionary. So let's explore and learn more about such class dict. And remember, just like we did with lists, we run the dir function, that is a built-in function in Python, that will allow us to explore inside the dictionary to find out its properties and methods. So let's do that right now. Let's run it. And I'm running a dir on dict for the class name. And I found out that it has several properties. And at the bottom right here, I can see several methods, all right? So if I explore a little bit on the properties, one of them is len, just like in lists. Len is for length, or it will tell me how long or how big is my dictionary, how many items are inside my dictionary, how many data key value pairs. And then we have several methods, for example, get, items, keys, pop. Those are some of the popular ones. Values, update. And we're going to see how those work. And you can always come back and explore further on your own, knowing that you have those methods available when you instantiate a dictionary, right? So let's try and explore what items does. So you can do that with help, the help built-in function. And when you put inside there, you put the class name dot items. You have to use the dot notation because items is a method of dict, because items may also be a method that belongs to another class, and it may do two total different things. So let's explore what in a dictionary, dict class items does for us. So let's run this command. And it says that items method in dictionaries is a set-like object that provides a view on the dictionary items, just like we expected. Pretty straightforward. Now let's take a look at update. So with update, in update actually is a way for you to add items to the dictionary, because you're updating the dictionary with additional dictionary items. And there are certain conditions. We can explore that further a little bit later, but for now, let's explore the methods that we have available for the dictionary. Okay, so you have also another method called values. So what does that mean? It's going to give me the values. So if I go back, right, at the beginning, in the previous recording, we found out that we have keys. Sorry, let me get my pencil. We have keys and values. Keys and values. Those are the pairs, keys and values. I'm pointing that to you right now. So if I were to run that items, the values method is going to give me a list of, or it's going to display for me, or it's going to give me the values that the dictionary has. But if I'm interested in the keys, then I can do this, right? I can do dict.keys. So that's another method that you can do on dictionaries. And basically, it's going to give you a set-like object providing a view on the dictionary keys. There is another method that may come up and you may be interested, which is pop. So dict.pop is going to remove a specific item in your dictionary. And we're going to see some examples in the next video as we go through this lesson on dictionaries, right? In this video right now, we're just exploring some of the properties and methods that a dictionary has, because a dictionary is an object of class dict, D-I-C-T. So there is another method that may be interesting to us, which is dict pop item. So that's going to return a key value pair. And it says as a two tuple. And a tuple is, again, is a list, but it's a special kind of list. In this case, a two tuple means two items in that special kind of list. So meaning you're going to get the item, the key, and the value. All right, so in the next video, we're going to come back and we're going to explore a little bit, start using some of those methods, start seeing some of those properties of dictionaries, the dictionary basics, and we're going to explore dictionary keys and dictionary values. So I'll be right back. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.